Hello, welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up a shortcut to color filter using our volume up button and side button in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To set up this button, we have to go to settings, of course, then we are looking for accessibility functions. And in accessibility, we have advanced settings. At the top, we can see a few button combinations, but we are interested in side and volume up buttons. Right now, we have extra dim shortcut set up, but to change it, we simply tap what we want and what we don't want. We can choose our color filter right here. And let's see if it works. So side button and volume up button. Yes, it does work. Our shortcut is working. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.